Every for aha Ghana TVGH. Mesra like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are already notified. Busian for segment we Miami rant. Munim say every day me juma biano. Yeah, me the Miami topic eba and I mean discussing. Now Ebusian for we there bisre mufan chime in advance because I'm coming to speak my own feelings. Now when him say me feelings no, I can be feel say man can ye, but me feelings I have to let it off my chest, alright? Me who discussions no, I've seen discussions around the year. Cocoa farmers ni haircut NDC aban slap on cocoa farmers. NDC aban to me cocoa for him etiom musika so by 10 million old currency. Now, me who also a lot of agitations. Demonstrations say we no go agree, yen penny. To the extent say cocoa farmers are move free Western North or Mafaka almost 11 hours to Accra. And near Aminu Ekasano, they are spending the night in front of Cocoa Board office headquarters at Accra. On the Benik or mine Mumpo with 2 point. Come on it. She in funny. Right? And ideally, no, I should feel pity for the cocoa farmers. I should speak on their behalf. I should champion their cause. My Ebusianfo, I'm sorry to tell you, say, I don't feel any pity for them. I don't. And I don't see myself championing the cause of cocoa farmers. Ebusianfo, I believe strongly, say, these cocoa farmers, Dodona did not treat Akufo Addo well, did not treat Baumia well, did not treat MPP well. Because the kind of reforms Akufo Addo at the back cocoa sector no, unprecedented. Now, you see, nipa wa ye bida. Enye no na etimi to ane so. Before MPP beba ba emono, na cocoa sector na ye basa. Na opuni bekaina we're running down sector no. I think to write home about 8 years of MPP. We brought the sector back on its feet. Cocoa price no per bag no and moving from 475 to 3,100. Ebusianfo we nye anything enye magical hard work of a buy no. We brought in a pension scheme for cocoa farmers. Yes sir. Cocoa farmer no ultimate to Senate contributions or to be now aban so they become man. Say a time can come also we call retirement. Unye farmer for the rest of your life. Aye we now. Now, when we were going to the election, NDC for abekache mu cocoa for say, cocoa kia for say, ombeti ombemamu 9,000 or say 6,000 or say whatever, and you believed it. I still wonder how you were able to believe that from NDC. NDC for now much 475. Ombeti mi akache omekache mse ombeti 6,000 na mujidi. The way they say I'm trying so hard to say I will find an excuse for them to explain why they would even believe such a thing, but I'm not able to find any, unfortunately. Because it just does not make any sense. It doesn't. Knowing very well, say, John Mama 1.0, Nankofo Bebre or Dunkofo Bebreka or employee Obia and all those deregulation by for the full sector. And then, sad deregularization, no, omudi beba cocoa sector no so. They are clueless. They don't know anything. Omunim shi. Book knowledge, 0. If you answer, 0. Those are the bunch of people Eddie on my Asha Musa. By voting for them. And he said, me she nyama we nyina ene. Na NDC 40 me she cocoa for him say. Even sika na Akufo Addo tua omo no. sika omutu a moving last year omuji no say there omo sika no so no. You just don't understand it, you don't get it, you can't think fire, you can't think madness. But I cannot feel pity. Because I believe strongly, say, if we don't allow Koko Okuafowe to go through these things, they will not see the value of a MPP. When you suffer small, next time, Okonoko to Abana, MPP ni this year, but a difference room. One keeps their promise, one always breaks their promise. So our mothers, our fathers, our brothers, our sisters, whoever, I think said this should be a wake-up call. Say elections have significance. And now ukonako to aba, and two because we are voter ni, and two because we are crying or what? To abano emani pa betmi jumano. And to about say I can force them into to mind this. Debbie. And I keep telling my people in Volta region this thing always. Say, fund development. A MPP pen eba by muna to me so my baby or cobia or mine no developing. NDC ba by one. They neglect almost strong wood. Volta region. Omu neglect here. So muni say then I to abanama. You see. I will leave you with a commentary. I'll see the next one. You can donate. Please help support the channel. I'll see the next one. Don't go anywhere. Hi, Ghana TVGs. Cheers.
Na ministers kura wu ye ni die na mo de ko South Africa mo sande bae no ekosi ze minister o ekosi ze na wo common floor member minister kura hu so na wa uchichi ujuju aja na abia
Gap media middle time be ma
aja mtio
me share time dudu amefa
wo hwe kura me mfa me ho
Gap enye DNA test na omo be ye nipo na eme problem. It is the fact that omo consistently omo twa antrofa ho Munim say mo nye DNA. Nti ade nti na mo report say mo koye DNA when you know you were not going to do it.
Na na bonza Mahama Chantro. Mahama. A free time owo opposition ebesi sa amera Mahama bien anu bia entro no twa. Mahama obien anu bia entro no twa. So ahu na me sisese no ade we say na ayekoso no NPP fo bi wo mu akuafo na NPP fo bi akuafo ntu koka ni bebre a no akoka ba be kan fie but omo Ghana no uni omo nye mmobo ka nurse fo a teacher fo
And no teacher for called
omo yale me so omo yale mo mpani fo omo wo ho ekoye demonstration ya di nso hyegu omo so omo ya adwuma mfie miensa ye mo boso miensa katua sa nipa we fi aba
Sata na to office to one
okura megaphone obekasa chemu wi a okwa osen kwasiafo ma wi ni omo Mahama gina simpie ni apaso edi Ghana fo atem ye nya nurse fo bi mo ko flow platform ekobun kotodie Mr President fache won say ba he omo ntimi nwane ntoa NPP bia
please accept our unreserved apology.
Esi ye won so matimi adwantoa NPP ni bi say koka bi mayen omo ntimi ehihye omo ho sa somro na ehwe omo ehihye omo ho na uwie a yasenya NDC for nkwasiafo bi amoma samba be defendi we yenya NDC for moa bi abe defendi we say he na mo se abangba bi no se den man na me se ne twuno okoyiye na affect na adwen e twuno okoyiye no e tim na adwen kakra sebe ne twuno o ma nye ni yie third force o pa konwa dia onko bobi woni kurum no ntena so o ye pani nti ye nka ne bebre bible se ye mfa ni die ma da bi ani die ne kura ani die ne machiare na nadu ani nche no o ka se na nadu elem dark nanim a emuamu a woni pimpinis entoma bi e friend entoma bi pimpinis sa na abangba bi nanim tie nanim se pimpinis a ya pama ye de kwa yi he me say NDC for omu pupu omutomra na this time around no edifuo no omo share edifuo me ama me say this time around NPP social media commentators no yenye sa afre say etwa mu hey ye be omo di si ye be twa omo di si ye be twa ye mo bia medimi ye mbie mu yenye mfa didi atamu mo ye the evidence be bre omo analysis magwe school etifie ye nya adwuma nye mo nkɔhwɛ agenda 111 ama ko askore mampon agenda 111 na wo omo dia dane trailer ino mo park wo ho enye CSU me say me the pictures dey say na akua no dia kire wo trailers ino mo park wo ho kra de wo ofori krom kra de omo dia dane mpai bobia omo dia dane prayers ino mo bɔ mpai wo ho aden wo se ye hye ema ade ye o man ne dia no ese dum ka tie jiro no ka tie say so mu jai ema Ghana for nya education a obianu emebunu bianu obedwan ni NDC no kore hwe omo NDC mu nyina ade a ye defend na no mbeba be defend na unim omo ko platform so anopa na sami jamfi atro ne nkwase asem no de amomo mokwa amunya mu nkase mobile emnya ye be omo pane baako o join NDC a ne yi wa adwene ka cho say welcome to NDC adwene hu hia o mfa nya hwere da bi adwene a de dwene no o no de hu hia bi because NDC mu ne enwene because mo pani no di manim no ame ati ase say onu no ntimi nwene mfa decisions man mu o fa decision free da bi ya to abama dwa mama enso Kalistus Mahama ni Ibrahim Mahama in the making rules and regulations ono no mo che de yemfa na dwuma de yenyi na di. Now for all you know no a president also baba be policy be a friend 24-hour economy no ka me hu yin ka ba e no ka nurses no mo ye omo no mo ye 12 hours no mo starting 8 hours he me say Mahama e was saying ko siki advice every NPP for ansa no aba betena so Cocoa farmers, ye ni hwe ka kire omu na mmom omu nwie me di asemba ko nkura hye sempe na ba ko pe na mo ka kire omu nsho omu sapo mu nsuo because cocoa ya sate so from 4,000 now to 4,000 be kan ye no ya te so wo world market say 3,200 inti enye one baby ameka say from April kom cocoa bet eso bet ya 500 make amudwin say mi ni baby ameka free on me say a free May every July Ghana for ye nyina ebewu adia etna
mi nyawu
adia tie me etna mesrawo
mi nyawu
etna
me tin kwa na nyina ame
etna ukọ empire mesrawo kai nkoko farmers wate yaye mobo dodo yaye mobo when the one parliament obeka say the sika
men kan hwe because what time na me di but waji abosu nti wo de
What party they are in? I haven't mentioned any party name. I'm condemning everybody. I said, they be me. Of course, I have been on Bremy because I did make no or be our platform. I need him. I did make. I know. Oh, dear, no, baby, canon and yes, a woman. Oh, dear, no, baby, canon. One set. One set. Trust. Mute all of them. One set.
Wa ba mu nyina mu ho.
Miss Hat, the batch of me, Cassaway. Won't say why insult me, you trust. Won't say why insult me. If I wanted to, if I wanted to retaliate that,
why?
A time as for
Ebe than it talk. On say, yeah, intellectual discussion. That also me ma kwame 10 minutes. Chanya butre. Man 10 minutes and all they kasa. What you say? It's your nipa no kasa na o hekel ne pe. Na as a whole book on the time. Just be man can na sema wana pume mo oka. What you say? O kasa as a neutral person. And all can say left and right. And I would say Ghana the man idea no the on commit my Ghana there. And also on the over fire Ghana. Which is on the yaw or the casa assembly. What you see?
because I don't want to yeah.
But
I don't want to it's bogus.
As
Mama mi come be nchamo. A chrome a brochina e wono protest and I yedi fix bibia wo chroma. Yedi protest and I fix bibia wo chroma. Say Ghana youth will rise up. If Ghana youth will rise up and say, listen, enough is enough. We are tired of you guys. Now, mon block bibia a chroma. Our busiest street is downtown Toronto. When you call home, you can't walk because I'm not blocking kwano protest. Say Ghana all police and soldiers. Eba so protect the population of Ghanaians is more than the soldiers and police. We could overshadow them when they bring them. Why do we sit down and allow these people play with our minds and toy with our lives? Look at what's going on at the hospitals. People are dying. Doctors are playing politics with people's lives. How's that? Do we value human beings? They value and even a dead body. Me wuye di atam na hata na sukama. And I didn't go see some nice room and I did flowers. I see how come because they respect. They want you to give that dead body the last respect on the earth because you're not going to see that person anymore. But Ghana, nipa wo si or that form. Me ba Ghana na say me nyonku bi wu ye hospital ho ye rapport na ye dey go too from outside na ye be friend say ye go for dead body do that ye go for no and then kwasi asem so no. How do you run a country like that? And the nipa na wunto anya nipa biom. We toy with our lives, we toy with people's lives. Doctors don't regard if you don't have money they won't take care of you, then you'll die. The schools. Why are we teaching foreign teachings in the schools? Are we from foreign? Why are we not teaching our history, the Ghanaian history?
that is colonialism.
Bra brochina we say any Ghana history or brochina. But yeah, sorry, we're teaching about Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus, what has he done for Ghana? The people that fought for Ghana, we don't teach about them in the country. We don't teach our children how to use our resources. We don't teach our children how to mine. We don't teach our children how to farm. We don't teach our children how to do the minerals we have in our country. We don't teach them how to use it. China, at the age of 5, they're teaching their children computers, how to manufacture this, how to do this, how to do that. But
the free education, yeah.